yonke into ayiwina emhlabeni kuspiritual ayisebenzi. Yonke into ayiwinile esihlobo sami ungafunda uze uyosithela ufaka amajazi anhlobo nhlobo ugraduate ku wonderful lokho siyakubongisa ngoba saya nathi ezikolweni kuhle kakhulu. Kodwa ufune ngisho bazalwane kusiza incosana. Lo Jesu Kristu uphethe ilist bafowethu enamagama ethu sonke. Makalibiza igama lakho awuphiki. I went to sleep bafowethu ntambama as usual ngakhuluma nabantu engikhuluma nabo efonini savayelisana ngangena embhedeni ngalala mina. Hayi man. Ngawo 3 eyintatha kusa. Ngiyazwa in my sleep, I'm still asleep. In my sleep I could feel ukuthi there's something wrong with my body. My body was vibrating like hardly so. Umzimba wami vibrate like abanye abantu abavamise uba nama nightmare bangafakaza nami. Kukhona ukuthi mawune nightmare uphupha kabi ebody crease. Ufune kuvuka from the nightmare ukuthi I just want to wake up so that I can cut it off. Ukuthi when you get to hell you're gonna scream your sins without anyone asking you. Esihogweni bazalwane uyayimemeza izono zakho abakunenge abakubuza usukungakacelwa ukuthi zisho you just scream your sins uyayimemeza izono zakho esihogweni ungakabuzwa udubula abantu wena ushaya abantu ube ngibhongoza ukuthi uyashaya nawo wasaba abantu ube nesibhamu enqolweni khona la uyakhona sihlobo sami lapha ikhali zakho isala ngemva lapha kwenye indawo there's a force in hell kunomoya